Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing video. And today's unboxing is brought to you by Kevin over at the Wrong Time Watch YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description below. He sent me a message saying, "Hey, do you want to review this watch?" And I believe the company's called MMI. I believe that's how that's what it is. MMI watches, and this is the Turret 300 diver. So a dive watch from a micro brand, I presume. Very nice, kind of like suede-like wrapping. Um, oh, he's got a couple of watches here. So I only thought there was going to be one of them. But that's pretty cool dive watch over here. Um, it's got a nice little weight to it. Yeah. So this is one of them. Looks like a bluish dial. Um, thin, thinner than usual. Diver's bezel, I would presume, or maybe the numbers are just smaller. I don't know. I'm gonna take a little deeper look on that one. But not a bad looking watch for sure. And then there's another one here. Okay, there you go. Now this one's a little bit different kind of dial set up here. It looks like it has a date function in the middle, so like a date wheel. So I see 31 days around here. So that'll be fun to check out and investigate. Anyway, guys, got a couple of dive watches here from a micro brand. Looks very interesting. Thank you, Kevin, for sending these in. I'll be doing a review on these in the next couple of days. And thank you all for stopping in at this unboxing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.